And I got Maddie. Hello, Maddie. Sweet mom, how you doing? And Cindy. Cindy's in. Maureen, good morning. Farah KZ, thank you for the follow, Farah. Mwah. Big kisses to all those followers this morning and a proper hello. Thank you so much for choosing Lady Hawk in the morning. Love you already. That's one thing you're going to hear. If you're in my stream, you're going to hear all about the love, all about the peace, and all about the settle down, slow it up, take it in. All right, I'm going to be really quiet. I don't want to scare the geese. They're here. Well, they were here. I think they went upriver. I did see a bear. It's been 2 weeks now. I saw a bear here at the river. And we've had 2 bears at our house. It's bear season, so I'm always, since we had one in our garage and he ripped the garage apart. We forgot to close the garage door. And we lock our garbage up in the garage. Yeah, I guess what the bear was after. He ripped everything apart. Thank you, Razzle. So I'm very hyper conscious right now. I do carry bear spray and an air horn as protection. If I see a bear and if it's close, I step it back, hoping that bear didn't see me. Jolly Rancher, good morning to you. Asian Silk Prince, hey, are you from China? Silk come out of China and Japan. I'm going to give a quick shout out to my beautiful friends in Shanghai, Beijing, and Hong Kong. 你好,你好,不错,谢谢你. And good morning, afternoon to all of you. Evening maybe too, yeah. I hope you're having a wonderful time. There's just this one lone duck. And he's flying. Those ducks are fast. All right, all the geese went upriver. We missed it. Okay, they'll come back. You want to play the game with us? We play How Many Fishermen Are in the River. Put your guess in the chat now. We'll count them up at the end of the stream. Yesterday was a big 0. No one came down to fish with us today. We had 9, though, last week at one point. 3 and 3 one day. Put your guess in the chat. I put in 2. I'm hopeful. I'm hopeful. Thank you guys for tapping out. 66,000 likes on the live stream. You guys are awesome with that tapping, and it's a great way to support. Thank you. I think we're going to go downriver. I'm ready. Let's do it. Well, again, thank you all. Thank you. Thank you. That is super great. Super great. Love you. Love you. Wow. Thank you. We are in drought level. All of these stones should be underwater. I mean, it makes it easier for me to walk out to the middle of the river, but I'd rather have the water. Most asked question outside of where you are there fish? Yes, there are fish in this river. We just restocked the river last month. We do stock the river. 2,000 fish we put in this part of the river. 2,000 rainbow and brown trout. And let me tell you all about the trout. We have river and brook trout, rainbow, brown trout, and we have a trout that looks like a tiger. Ever see a fish that looks like a tiger? Tiger trout. Yesterday, saw a snake. Yes, I did. This is like the third or fourth snake that we've seen. They're so fast, it's really hard to get them on the view. This one was in the water. I was walking in the water down river. It was about 2 feet long. It was a black snake. The black snakes are not poisonous, and neither are the gardeners. That's what we have at the river here. Look at the sun throwing that beautiful light onto the ridge there. You eat too. Thank you so much for stepping in. Let me give a quick shout out to my Latino friends. So many beautiful people coming in from Brazil, Argentina, Venezuela, all of those beautiful countries. Hola, hola, buenos dias. Muchas gracias, mi amigo. Buenos dias, noches, tardes. Aquí, muy bonito lugar. Sí. Caliente, caliente agua. No numbra, no numbra. Lo siento. Thank you, Shay, for the love. Thank you. Thank you, Michelle Dogma, for Superfan. Krista Maria, thank you so much for stepping in. She's going to put a 3 in for the fisherman. Thank you for playing the game. That's a very good number. It is a good number for today, for sure. But you never know. You never know. Ah, there's Stefania. Buongiorno. Buongiorno, grazie. Bella, bella. Thank you, Sarah. Thank you, Reeves. April's here. Good morning, April. Sanosi, thank you. Reeves, thank you, Comer Reeves. Summer is here, 55. Healing with Jess. Good morning, Jess. Thank you so much. Silent, silent. Wow, silent killer from Malaysia. Salamat, salamat malam. I'm going to see who this Sandosi. I am Carla. I missed you coming in, lady. Thank you. Fluff came in. Thank you so much. Let's see. Let's see. Owl Lover. Owl Lover's going to go with 1. Good, safe number, Owl Lover. Thank you again for stepping in. Alley Cat. All right. I'm loving that. I'm loving that. Thank you, Alley Cat. And the trash panda. I got that twice today. What's up with that trash panda? I love it. Thank you guys for stepping in. All right, I have some fishermen friends who watch the live stream. If you guys are not at work, get your gear on and come down to the river. I guessed, I think it was 3 today. 3 of you guys come on down. Shane, come on. Max, I know you guys watch. Get down here. If you're not at work, I know you can't do it if you're working. Ted Harper, good morning, Ted Harper. Thank you, Gigi, thank you. And it was Synosis, that's who it was. Synosis sleep headphones, got you Synosis. Ellie D, Ellie Di, thank you. Noah's here, good morning, good morning. Beautiful people, beautiful place. Thank you again for stepping in. Sarah Elizabeth is back, thank you, Sarah. And just a little shady. All right, we got you, we got you. Quick shout out, I got Gigi with the Heart Me and Alley Cat with the Trash Panda. Sinoso Sleep Headphones, the Hot Puff Heart. Thank you, Ali D. Heart Me. Good morning, good morning. Sarah Elizabeth Go Popular. Got you, Sarah. Got you. Shay the Rose. Thank you. Carla came in gifting. Go Popular and more. Fluff gave that coffee. Fluff, did I catch you coming in with that coffee? Mwah. Big kisses for those big gifts. Thank you, thank you. And there's Dancing in Nature. She gave a lot of gifts. Thank you, Dancing in Nature. Mwah. Big kisses. Paper Crane to Razzle every day. That guy is just like clockwork. Thank you, Razzle. Outlaw gave the Night Star. Beautiful, beautiful gift. Thank you, thank you. Goddess Unification gave Go Popular. We're only going to do this for just a minute, just a minute. Let's see who else is here. Amma. Amma gave a nice gift. Heavenly. Thank you, Alley Cat. Cynthia McBride. Good morning, good morning. My beautiful friend from Thailand, Zoadi, Zoadi Kakun. Beautiful people. 6396666. And Maddie, thank you. They both gave the heart. Me, Ducky came in. Good morning, Ducky. Gifting so nicely, Sandy, Beth. Sandy, I got you. Beth got you. Ducky, it's been a while, Ducky. Glad to see you back in the stream. PEC 1000. There you are. Joe Mac and Donna. Hey, thank you guys for stepping in. Yuki. Good morning, Yuki. Good morning. Ali D, good morning, good morning. I'm trying to get you all, but I'm not going to be able to. Sorry. It's just the list is just too long. HT coming in with some love. Thank you, HT. And Stefania, thank you. If you haven't hit that follow button yet, it's time for that follow button. I will give you the best of the best every morning, and I am here every morning, and I am yours for the first 3 hours of every day. Queen, thank you, Queen Bee. Donald Guff, thank you for sharing. Cypri, I think it is. Thank you, so nice, so nice. Bill Morrison, nice to see you. Sana, thank you so much. And Chef Tommy Joe is in the stream. Good morning, Chef. Froggy, good morning, Froggy. I'm seeing you coming in there. Joanne, thank you. Bonjour, merci. Olive, good morning, Olive. So nice to see you in the stream. When I'm on that chat, that camera wanders. It wanders and wanders. All right, back on the camera, and mods can take care of you guys. They can answer most of the questions. I do have a visual for you. Let me give you that. That way everybody sees it at once, and it's all answered. The question is then all answered. Visual right here. Where are you? Where are you? I'm here. I'm in the United States of America on the northeast coast of the country here. I'm up near New York City in the tri-state area, New England. It is cold this morning. It started out at 50. I think we're at 55 by now. We're going up to 65 by 10 a.m. You guys got it right? USA? Northeast coast. No name of the state or the river. Safety protocol, everybody. It's very real, very real. I have had stalkers and it's scary, scary. All right, safety first, USA, Northeast coast. Donald, thank you. Froggy comes in to say good morning to the little ones. Good morning, little ones. Mwah. And the little guys love Froggy, love Froggy. And Minnie, MTI. Thank you, Minnie. Zany, thank you, Zany. Is that Chef? Crafted with good vibes. All right, that reminds me, one word, guys. Just one word and only one word. Put it in the chat. What's that vibe you're feeling now? What are you getting from this live? What vibe? One word. All right, there's one lone duck over here. They're hard to see. He's going under the water. He's fishing. Scott, Miss Smith, thank you for stepping in. And of course, Carrie Doll is in. Cardiac, I think it is. 7G, thank you for stepping in and thank you for liking the live. Hannah with 2 A's, thank you for stepping in. Lynn says balance. Wow, Lynn, that is on point. Gentle, soothing. Thank you, guys. It's Judy was soothing and Kat was Kat didn't do it yet. Sorry. It was Sarah. Sarah gave the gentle. Thank you. Krista Marie says relaxing. I like it. I like it. Sarah says calm and Allie says peaceful. If you wonder what we're doing, we are doing the vibe here. What's the vibe? Coco, what's the vibe for you? I'm just a tadpole. Oh, how sweet, how sweet. Loving it, loving it. All right. One word and only one word. What is the vibe you got right now? Put it in the chat. Thank you for tapping 87,000. Oh my gosh, beautiful, beautiful. Who was that? Was that dancing? Yes, it was. Thank you, Dancing in Nature, for all of the beautiful love. Mwah. Thank you. Love you, love you. And we do a true or false story here. I tell the story, and let me tell you something. Hey, I can tell a story. Yesterday, the poll said 50% thought that the story was true, and 50% thought the story was false. So yesterday, the winners were false. If you go look in your DM, you'll see what I gave you. Rini, thank you. All right, downriver, we're going to go down, and we're going to check on that rooster. Michelle Scott, thank you for stepping in. And Missin Menow, I think it is, Missin Menow. Thank you, Dancing for reaching level 25. Awesome. Level 25. Hey, Rhea, I didn't see you come in, beautiful lady. Thank you for stepping in. And again, I'm going to get out of this water. I am, sometime soon. Lisa, thank you so much for the love. All right, it's time now, guys. It is time to hit that follow button. Follow Lady Hawk, and I will always be here. I will always be yours, and I will always give you the best of the best. All right, I got to walk across the brook, which is a little tough because when the water drops, it leaves some sediment on the rocks that's really slippery. I am Descendamise, greeting from Algeria. Good morning to you from Algeria. Rabina Classo, thank you, Rabina, for stepping in. Virginia, good morning, Virginia. Nice to see you, nice to see you. Nice to see all of you beautiful people. Who was given that other, I'm looking for the gifters. Well, I want to thank you. I want to thank you all. Donald shared, thank you, Donald. Ha team for the follow. Tan, hi Tan, I think it is. For the follow, big kisses for followers. Mwah. Thank you again for stepping in to Lady Hawk in the morning. I'm yours, all yours. 7 to 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Look at that color. Oh my goodness. The sun is brilliant today, and so is the color. It throws that light everywhere. All right, let's go. I'm getting out of this slowly but surely. Sent the mushroom, the rocking mushroom. Thank you, Rainey.